Let's start. The project name is Recyclerview Swipe to Refresh. Let's see the project structure. Here we have the main activity, a model class, and an adapter class. And in the UI, we have activity_main.xml, which is the layout of the main activity, and a row_item.xml file, which defines the layout of the Recyclerview. And in the Gradle file, we have used this dependency. Let's see the UI. Here we have the Recyclerview. The height and width of the Recyclerview match the parent. Let's see the code. The swipe refresh layout is the root layout. And this is the Recyclerview. In the row_item.xml file, we have a text view. Let's see the code. The constraint layout is the root layout. And this is the text view. Let's see the Java code now. This is the model class, with a string variable name as the data member. This name variable will be shown in each row of the Recyclerview. These are the imports. This is my adapter class. These are the data members, which contain an array list of the model class type. This is the constructor. In the onCreateViewHolder function, we inflate the row_item.xml file, and pass the view into the viewholder class. In the bindViewHolder function, we fetch the data from the model class, one by one, and show it in the text view. In the getItemCount function, we calculate the total number of rows in the Recyclerview. This is the viewholder class. These are the data members of the class. In the constructor, we set the onClickListener of the row. So when a row of the Recyclerview is clicked, we show its name in a toast. These are the imports. This is the main activity. These are the data members. Here we have an array list of the model class type, and an array of strings, which we will use to fill the Recyclerview data. In the getData function, we fetch the data from the array, and put it inside the array list, as a Recyclerview needs the data in array list format. In the onCreate function, we have created an object of my adapter class, and passed the array list data in it, using the getData function. Then we set the layout of the Recyclerview as linear. There are several types such as linear, horizontal, staggered, etc. Then we set the item animator and item decoration attributes of the Recyclerview. Then we set the adapter object into our Recyclerview. And finally, we call the swipe to refresh function. In this function, we set the onRefreshListener of the swipe refresh layout. In the onRefresh function, we stop the refresh by setting its value to false. And then we call the resetRecyclerView function. This is the function where you are supposed to do something once the Recyclerview is refreshed. For the sake of doing something, I'm showing a toast over here. Then I shuffle the data and show it in the Recyclerview. Let's run the app. As you can see, when I swipe the Recyclerview down, the data gets shuffled, and the Recyclerview gets refreshed. So that's it. That's how you can implement a Recyclerview swipe to refresh in Java Android. Thanks for watching.